tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg.
The uses of bechamel sauce include lasagna, moussaka, bases for soups, bases for pies, croquette topping, and the base for the macaroni and cheese sauce that we made in class. Step 1. Let your 5 tablespoons of butter over medium heat until it is fully melted all the way, then add your flour and start mixing it up. You're going to fry it until it forms a kind of yellowy colored dough, and that is called a white roux, which is basically butter and flour mixed together and fried to form a thickener for soup bases and, sauce bases. Make sure it's done all the way before you prepare to add it to your sauce. It will be used to make the sauce actually, not just milk. While you were preparing the white roux, you should have had the milk on medium heat and in a different pan across the stove. You don't want it to boil all the way, and you need to be stirring it constantly. And once it is bubbling, you need to whisk in the white roux in order to thicken this whole mixture. This will basically be the base for your sauce. Béchamel sauce was created sometime in the 14th century and was said to be introduced by the Italian chefs of Catherine de Medici. It was invented by Duke Philippe de Mornay. However, there are different opinions on how and who invented Béchamel sauce. It has been said that King Louis XIV's chef invented Béchamel when trying to come up with a way of serving and eating dried cod. However, it was not documented that Lord Louis XIV's chef was the actual creator of Béchamel sauce, and the actual creator of Béchamel sauce officially is unknown. Although there was a guy named Béchamel, and even though he wasn't really a chef, either the sauce was named for him or he took credit for it. When the sauce thickens, you'll notice that it sticks to the spoon a whole lot. This means that it's getting thicker, and that this quality is called the nappe. And before you add the final seasoning ingredients, the sauce needs to have reached this point where it sticks to the spoon and, can coat the noodles really well, so when it actually acts like a real sauce. Once you're done, take your salt and your ground nutmeg and pour it into the sauce and just stir. And that's pretty much all there is to Béchamel sauce. There are some different ways to season the sauce and different ways to serve the sauce. Some use it as a base for other sauces like the macaroni sauce, and some just use it as is on noodles or in big things like lasagna. It's not very hard to make, and that's basically it. Voila, Béchamel.